Hello everyone! Next we will be drawing a house. So first draw the rectangular top of the house and in the side draw the doors and add a chimney to the house. Add smoke coming out of this chimney and add rectangular windows along with the windowsill. Add the ground for the drawing and then add a pathway. Add some bushes, some grass, some flowers and add the sun along with some clouds. You may color it in as you wish. Next, we will be drawing some very cute creatures that resemble emus. So cut out different circles and stick them on your white sheet as such. Then cut out circular white paper as well and stick them on the colorful paper that you have to make eyes out of them. Then draw long necks and on each of the colorful circles add little sticks. Then color them the same color as the circles. For our next drawing, lightly trace the shape of your hand and very loosely and then connect it at the bottom with the ground and add a little dough to it. Add pebble shapes at the bottom to signify the pathway to the house and using a stencil draw circles on each of the fingers. Add this and make it into windows. Add bushes and little flowers at the tips of each of the fingers. For the next drawing as well, create a stencil of your hand and now we will be making a hen. So using the thumb finger, make a little beak and the top of the hen. Along with this, add like wings and add the legs at the bottom. Add a scenery in the background such as mountains and color as you please. Thank you for watching.